MS Crew, what's poppin'? Hope you're smiling, hope you're staying positive. Today in this video, I'm bringing you an unboxing, so this should be fun, guys. I am unboxing a Supreme hat. Yes, guys, I actually saved down. I thought, wow, get something you really want. And I thought, I want a Supreme hat. That is dope. So I had half the box. It came today. So yeah, let's open it. Oh, I can't wait. I really can't wait, boys. The anticipation is killing me. That's why I'm not wearing a hat. If you realize, guys, I was like, no, I'm putting this on. Ooh, so oh no, don't get too excited. Don't get too excited, no. Boys, we are in. For the haters that's gonna say it's fake, it's really not. Ooh, I dropped something. I think I dropped my receipt. This means I can flex on you and show you it's real, authentic. There we go. So, my receipt, guys. Straight from the Supreme store in New York. New York. So, comes in a nice Supreme bag, and then it comes there. Ooh, and I got a Supreme sticker. Oh my god. Yes, mate. Yes, mate. Government flex, but look at that Supreme sticker. That's well nice. Ooh. This is very, very nice. Ooh. I like that. I like that material. It's well cool. Need to adjust it. But you screen as a reader says all like that. Wind up through. Yes. Guys. You don't realize how exciting. Oh, I need to wind it through there as well, don't I? Yeah, I think I'm doing it. Oh my god, it's still too small. I'm sorry, I'll be back with you in a second, guys. So guys, we are in. I've managed to adjust it. Look, can we just appreciate that logo? It's really nice. Oh my god. Actually got a Supreme hat. Oh my god, the dream is coming true. I got a Supreme bag, Supreme hat. It's also going to be in a song when it comes out, guys, so you're there for that. But, oh, check out your boy. Look at me making moves. The boy's making moves. Yes. Look at that. I think I just need a thumbnail now, so I think I'm just gonna like. Maybe I should flex my Supreme bag in the. That is awesome, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for flexing on you. I'm not rice scum, I promise. Yeah, you can get your merch markstevens.dizzyjam.com or markstevens/supreme.com and give this video a like. Can we aim for how much this cost me? £51. I've been telling people £52. Okay, £51. So can we get 51 likes on it? I'm joking, we never hit that, but let's try. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay awesome.
Hi guys, make sure you join the MS Crew movement today and get the hottest, softest merch in the game. markstevens.dizzyjam.com or link in description. Check it.